RLE means refractive lens exchange. The lens in the human eye starts to become dysfunctional at the age of 45. That's why so many of us need reading glasses as we get older. Eventually, for people that are farsighted, the lens is so dysfunctional it can't even focus in the distance, and people need to go into bifocals or progressive lenses. Refractive lens exchange means removing the lens in the eye to reduce your need for glasses. This can also improve the quality of your vision. Good candidates for refractive lens exchange tend to be people over the age of 50 that are already in progressive lenses, bifocals, or doing monovision treatment with contact lenses. That means one eye for distance and one eye for up close. Oftentimes, because of the lens being dysfunctional, removing the lens and replacing it with a premium artificial lens offers a more permanent and more satisfactory range of vision for people in the reading glasses category.